Hi, my name is Alex, coach with GustinShow.com. If you have a judgment, you're dead in the water unless you A, pay it off, or B, call the judgment company, get on a payment plan with them, get an agreement with them, make 3-month timely payments, and we can count that debt against you. There's no in between. Pay them off or make a payment plan with the company with an agreement that they're accepting these payments and make 3 monthly payments on time. It's the only 2 options you have. Judgments are an automatic blocker unless you do that. So that's your only option if you have judgments. They are blockers like you wouldn't believe, just automatic no's, because that judgment's automatically attached to your house if the title company lets you close. So no lender wants to be second position to a judgment. So when they foreclose, the judgment gets paid and then they get their money. So if you have any questions regarding judgments, give me a call at 630-915-7550 and please subscribe.